Good morning, student. Today we are going to start chapter number 19, Caring for Public Property. So, open your SST book at page number 120. First of all, what is property? Property is anything that is owned by a person, a group of persons, and government. We use many things in our life. For example, scooter, bus, house, park, etc. These things can be classified as private property and public property. First, we will discuss about private property. The things that belong to any one person or a family are known as private property. For example, furniture, car, house, land, jewelry. These are examples of private property. These are maintained by respective owner. These can be used only by the owners. Public property. The things that belong to everyone in society are called public properties. Parks, roads, monuments, and public transport are examples of public properties. They belong to everyone in society. These are maintained by the government. These can be used by everyone in a society. Let us now learn about some examples of public properties. First, we will learn about public places. A public place is a space that can be used by everyone in a society. Parks, monuments, and hospitals are examples of public places. All these places are used by everyone for different purposes. For example, parks are used for walking, exercising, and playing, while schools are used by children to study. Public facilities. A public facility is a facility that is provided by the government to the people who live in a particular place. A public facility may include street lights, roads, and different means of transport like buses and trains. All these facilities help us lead a comfortable life. Street lights light up places at night. They help us see in the dark and prevent accidents. Means of public transport help people travel from one place to another at an affordable price. They also help us in reducing the levels of air pollution caused by the smoke emitted from the vehicles. Public facilities are maintained by the state. It becomes a responsibility to use these facilities in the right manner and to ensure their proper use by others as well. Student, you have to read this topic from your book. So listen and watch this video carefully. Thank you.